Looking for a great opportunity to save on your water bill? Take advantage of the Evansville Water and Sewer Utility Leak Repair Program. The Leak Repair Program is a partnership with Memorial Community Development Corporation to provide eligible customers with up to $1,000 in small repairs to their home water system and plumbing fixtures. That can make a long-term difference in their utility bill. Applying for the EWSU Leak Repair Program is simple and easy. Just visit ewsu.com/leak repair and complete the application form. EWSU will send an email confirmation once your application is received. If approved, Memorial CDC will contact you to coordinate a home assessment.
The plumber came out, assessed it, helped me, and told me to get involved with the leak repair program. Everyone should take advantage of this.